What's going on, guys? This is David from Caribbean Art Prints back with another video, and in this one we're going to be talking about mounting coasters in shadow boxes. Let's go.
Coasters, shadow boxes.
Alright, so a little backstory. My brother recently came back from Portugal, and he knows I'm into art, obviously. So he brought me back some really nice coasters painted by a Portuguese artist. The coasters themselves were so nice that I didn't want to just use them as coasters, you know. They're really nice, they're like art. So I decided to treat them as such and actually frame them and put them into a shadow box. And if you don't know what a shadow box is a three-dimensional framed display case that is designed to hold objects of sentimental or artistic value, such as collectibles, memorabilia, artwork, and small objects. Typically, it's used to display and protect objects that have depth and dimension. So today we're going to show you how to mount coasters into shadow boxes, turning them into unique and eye-catching wall art. So only really need a few things for this method. Shadow box, of course, your coasters or whatever you're trying to mount inside the shadow box, and I'll be using mounting putty as the adhesive. So first thing we have to do is just open up the shadow box, do some quick maths to make sure that the coasters are in the center of the shadow box's backing. Then I'll use those measurements and take painter's tape to make a guide for my coasters so I know where to stick them on. Once everything is in position, I will take the first coaster, flip it upside down, put mounting putty on each corner, and then stick that in place. Apply some pressure to the coaster to make sure it sticks onto the backing. Rinse and repeat. When you're all said and done, remove the painter's tape. I'll put a heavy object on top of it just to make sure that the bond is secure. After a few minutes, I'll remove that. Everything's looking good, so we'll reassemble the shadow box. Then we can mount with a simple wall anchor. And that's it. Previously coasters, currently wall art. Done. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also hit the bell for more ideas like this one in the future. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.